Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to purchase JPY on Interactive Brokers in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing you this on the web client portal. First, navigate to interactivebrokers.com and click the red Login button in the top right corner. From there, select Client Portal Login. Enter your username and password, then complete the two-factor authentication. Once that's done, the Client Portal homepage will load showing your portfolio overview. Now to access the conversion tool, click Trade in the top navigation menu, not the Trade button in the top right corner, but the Trade tab in the main navigation bar. From the dropdown, select Convert Currency. The currency conversion interface will appear with dropdown menus for selecting your currencies. Click the Currency 1 Have dropdown on the left side and select the currency you currently hold. This could be USD, Euros, or whichever currency you want to convert from. You can only convert from currencies you actually have a cash balance in, so if you don't see the currency you're looking for, you'll need to deposit or convert to it first. Next, click the Currency I Want dropdown on the right side and select JPY from the list. JPY is widely supported with major currencies, so you should see it available if you're converting from USD, Euros, or Pounds. Now enter the amount you want to convert. You can type either the amount of JPY you want to receive or the amount of your source currency you want to convert. The system will automatically calculate the opposite amount for you, so if you enter how much JPY you want, it'll show you how much of your source currency that will cost, and vice versa. Click the Preview button below the Amount field. The Order Details screen will appear showing you the exact exchange rate, fees, and final amounts. Review the exchange rate, the amount that'll be debited from your source currency, the amount that'll be credited in JPY, and any commissions. The fee is typically very small, around 0.08 to 0.2 basis points of the trade value, with a $2 USD minimum for manual conversions. Once you're happy with the details, click the Submit button at the bottom of the preview window. A confirmation message will appear indicating your order has been submitted, and your balance will update to show your new JPY holdings. Your converted JPY will appear in the cash report section of your portfolio. Keep in mind that forex conversions settle T+1, meaning 1 business day after the trade. If you have a cash account, you may need to wait for settlement before the funds are available for trading. Check your available funds or settled cash rather than just your total balance. Margin accounts generally let you trade against the converted funds before settlement clears. And that's how to purchase JPY on IBKR. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.